think I just had to say just some of my superpowers, just like with scrums and just on our attack and our defense as well. In any way that I can give out, or like stuff like that to help out with the team for the win this Sunday. Yeah, just winning our set piece. I think that's one of the main things that we emphasize this week. Our set piece with our scrums and our lineouts. If we win that, it will be a big help for this week's game. So I think that's one of the strategies that we've come up for this week. Just staying composed, I guess. Even though this is our third grand final, anyone's hungry for a final, eh? Anyone's hungry for a title. So we're just playing it to our strengths and what we do best. Yeah. Besides waking up, having a good meal, waking up there. Just a good hype music in the room with my roomie. Yeah, whatever songs we just jam to before we get on the bus and head to the field. And just a little bit of dancing. That's it. It has to be my family, my friends, and my loved ones. Yeah, they just keep me going through the day. Definitely hype music, but one of my favorite artists has to be Maoli. Any of his songs, or any island songs, or just like some gang shit happening there, just like, you know, to hype up. Rom-com, I think. If it has to be, I think Titanic. Adi Savea. He's just brutal, he's ruthless on the field, even though he's a small guy, but yeah, Adi Savea. Thank you to all the moms and to my mom. I love you and thank you for always picking me up whenever, however. Yeah, just a lot of love going out to all the moms, all the single moms, all the hardworking moms. Yeah, just hungry. I know the girls, we lost to the Tars in the second round in Fiji, and that was sore, you know, just watching or just seeing that, like the margin points they put on us. So we're really hungry for this grand final, and yeah, just smashing them.